Pandas, setting true to false in a column if it appears less than n times in a row. I have a Boolean column in a data frame. In my case, n is 4, so if true appears less than 4 times in a row, I want to set these true value to false. The following code can pull that off. The data frame will look something like this. My question is if there is a more Pandas way to do this, as iterating over the data is quite slow. I thought about some functionality that uses given sequences like, for example, false, true, 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 false to replace them, but I didn't found anything like that. Thanks in advance for any helpful answer.
Idea is create groups for each consecutive trues values by series. Come sum with inverted Boolean mask, then replace non-match values to nans by series. Where and last count values of each groups by series. Map in series. Value underscore counts compared by threshold for greater by series. GT. Details.
Here's a way to do that. The output is, note that the group size is always the actual size plus 1, but the final result is fine.